Imagine logging into your email, only to find out someone else has been reading your messages, sending phishing emails in your name, and accessing your accounts. Email hacking is real, and it can happen to anyone. Are you at risk? In today's digital world, email is one of the biggest entry points for cybercriminals. From phishing scams to credential theft, hackers use compromised email accounts to steal data, spread malware, and even commit fraud. How do you know if your email has been hacked? Watch for these red flags: sudden password reset requests, unfamiliar sent emails, login alerts from unrecognized devices, or missing messages from your inbox. A hacked email account isn't just an inconvenience. It can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and even corporate espionage. The average business email compromise attack costs organizations over $5 million in damages. Can your business afford that risk? Preventing email hacking starts with strong security habits. Here's what you can do today to stay protected. Enable multi-factor authentication. Use strong, unique passwords. Monitor account activity. Be cautious with email links and attachments. Train employees on phishing scams. By securing your email, you're protecting more than just messages. You're safeguarding your business, your reputation, and your customers. Don't wait until it's too late. Strengthen your email security now.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.